how many grams is 2.50 moles of disulfur trioxide? So first thing we do the nomenclature, disulfur is 2 sulfur, trioxide is 3 oxygens. Then we figure out their molecular mass. We got this from the periodic table, we're rounding to 2 decimal places. So it's 32.07 times 2, and then 16 times 3 is our 48, and then you just add them together, and you get this, which is our conversion factor from going from grams to moles. Okay, that's all the background stuff we had to do. Now to start the problem, what are we gonna start with?
2.5.
Yeah, 2.5, good. 2.50 moles of C2O3. All right, what's gonna go on the bottom? 1 mole. S2O3. What's gonna go on the top? Good, 112.14 grams of S2O3. On the top, don't write grams per mole because the grams, the per, and the mole are part of that whole thing. Does everybody see it? The line is the per and the mole is on the bottom. Okay. All right, so then we just multiply it across, right? And you guys, what did you come up with?
280.
Okay, so 280 S2O3, and then we need to talk about sig figs, right? How many sig figs should it have?
3.
It should have 3, so that has 2, right? How do we make it have 3? Add a decimal at the end, right? So we would add that decimal at the end, and now it has 3. What else could you have done to make it have 3? You can't use the line when you can't use the line when it's the last zero. You have to use the decimal. There is something else you could use though.
28.0 times 10.
No. Yeah, you have to. If you're going to use scientific notation, you have to use the correct format, which would be 2.80 times 10 to the second grams. Which that would be fine. Either of those would be fine. Obviously, go with the easier one. It's going to be that one. All right. Any questions with that?